Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1662, that is check if two string arrays are equivalent. And in this we'll be given two string arrays, word1 and word2, and we have to return true if the two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. Okay, so it's not a very hard question. Let's say we are having word1, that is in the word1 string array we are having AB, and then we are having string C. In the word2 we are having string A, and then we are having string C. If we combine both the if we combine all the strings of word1 and then check with combine after combining all the strings of word2, if they are equal, then we have to return true. Similarly, in this case, as we can see, we are having this array will form ACB, but this will form ABC, so we are having return answer as false. Okay, so what we can do, we can use the string builder class. Let's say we are having string builder. Let's say the one string is this, and in this we'll be calling the join function on word1 array, and then we'll be having another string builder object, and here what we'll be doing, join function will be calling to join all the strings in the arrays, specifically then word2, and then what we'll be doing, returning s dot to string if it equals. And notice that we can't compare s dot equals t, because basically it's take the value, and as these are the string builder objects, we can't do it directly, so we have to convert them firstly to string, into string. And let's write the join function. Let's say private, and this will return a string builder object. It's a good practice to write functions whenever you are in interviews, and if you have to repeat the same process more than once. Okay, string builder, let's say the function is join, and this will, okay, so what it will do, it will accept a string array of words, and then have a, let's say, string builder, and here we will be doing sb equal to new string builder. And then what we're doing, for we will be using a for each loop, that for string word in words, we'll be just doing word, oh sorry, sb dot append word. Okay, and at the end we'll be just returning sb. Okay, so now let's run it, and it gets executed. Okay, so now let's submit it. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.